Some journeys begin with a destination, others begin with a question. A question that inspires you to explore, understand, create, and discover who you can become. At Chandigarh University, that spirit of exploration came alive as Day 6 of Freshman Orientation 2026 welcomed the students from Liberal Arts, Humanities, Media, and other programs. With fresh perspectives, new aspiration, and countless possibilities ahead, the last day of orientation marked another important milestone for students as they took their first step into university's life. For these young minds, the journey ahead is not just about earning a degree, it is about understanding the world, finding their voice, exploring ideas, and turning curiosity into purpose.
The launchpad for limitless opportunities. Welcome to the last and final day of Freshman Orientation 2026. Right now, I am at the orientation venue where the students of Liberal Arts and Humanities are registering for the orientation. From deep thinkers to future storytellers, you're in for an unforgettable ride. Stick with us as we bring you all the updates.
Inside the orientation venue, students were introduced to the academic environment and the opportunities that await them at Chandigarh University. The sessions offered freshers an understanding of what university life has in store. From academics and campus experiences to opportunities for personal growth and discovering their individual strengths. For students of liberal arts and humanities, the experience goes beyond textbooks and classrooms, encouraging them to look at society, culture, people, ideas, and the world around them through a wider lens. And for those stepping into media, the journey begins with its opportunities to communicate stories, understand changing platforms, explore creativity, and develop a voice of their own.
Freshman 2026 orientation starts with full energy as the students of Liberal Art interact with Professor Dr. R.S. Bava, Founder Vice Chancellor and currently the advisor to Honorable Chancellor. Later, Professor Dr. Ravi Raja and Sitaram, Honorable Vice Chancellor, will brief freshmen about the industry interference, academic excellence and student thriving journey. Dr. Ashita Chadda, Executive Director, Liberal Arts, will give a roadmap about wide range of opportunities for liberal arts students, placement opportunities and skill to build in coming years at Chandigarh University for a better pathway.
One of the most valuable parts of the orientation was the opportunity for freshers to learn from those who have already walked the path before them. The alumni interaction brought real-world experiences into the orientation, giving students an insight into how academic learning, creativity, consistency, and the right opportunities can come together to shape a successful career. With alumni sharing their professional journeys and practical experiences, the session offered the new batch a closer look to the possibilities that can emerge from their time at Chandigarh University. For the freshers, these conversations were more than just success stories. They were glimpses of the journey that could lie ahead.
We are one of the most exciting sessions of Freshman Orientation 2026 where the spotlight is on the learning from those who have already walked this journey. Bhavya Sharma, Shashi Kumar, Priya Kumar, Priya Prerita Singhal are the alumni. Shashi Kumar, an alumnus of UIMS who is currently working as a lead designer at Amber and is the highest paid with the salary of 28 LPA. Through his journey, experiences and practical insights, he is giving the new batch a glimpse of how creativity, consistency and the right opportunities at Chandigarh University can shape a successful career.
During the orientation, we also interacted with Shashi Kumar, an alumnus of UIMS, who is currently working as a lead designer at Amber. Through his journey and experiences in the professional world, Shashi Kumar shared valuable insights into the media and creative industry, giving students a practical understanding of the skills, consistency, and creative approach needed to build a successful career. His journey served as an example of how the right opportunities and a strong commitment to learning can help students turn their potential into professional success.
It feels really great, coming back to university after so many years. Everything feels so nostalgic. I have memories at all the places in university, so it feels great to be here again.
Okay. Any message you would like to give to the future students and also the freshers have joined to them?
I think, utilize your college life as much as you can. Enjoy your college life, study, enjoy hard, and don't forget to hustle hard. And if you hustle hard, you will land some sort of good opportunity out there.
For the students, meanwhile, the day was about taking ownership of a new chapter. Different dreams brought them to the same campus, but the excitement was shared by all. And as the day progressed, nervous first impressions slowly turned into conversations, smiles, friendships, and a growing sense of belonging.
The diverse student community, and the opportunities that the college provides. So I'm basically here for the placements and exposure that I'm going to be getting from this particular university.
The hostel is absolutely good. The wardens are very supportive. Even the counselors are always ready to help us.
If may I know that you've chosen this subject right now at Chandigarh University, what made you choose this subject academically here?
Here, job opportunities are very good. Like very good packages and very good placement ratio and all.
Today I attended the orientation in Chandigarh University. I think I really enjoyed. There were alumni there that were like very motivating, and they were allowing cross questioning, so we could ask anything that we wanted to ask from them, and I feel like I'm really enjoying my time here.
I took admission in Chandigarh University because of its good opportunities and reputation with placements. So yeah, I'm feeling good.
The orientation was not just an experience for the freshers, but also a platform where the talent and the teamwork of the University Institute of Media Studies students came together. The additional director of UIMS, Mr. Gagandeep Chauhan, introduced the entire UIMS team, including students and faculty members who worked intensely, tirelessly for 6 days, bringing every moment of the orientation live to the audience. From camera handling to reporting and putting the event live, students of UIMS have shown the united spirit. It was not just an event, but learning and hands-on experience to produce a multi-camera show. The dedication, teamwork, and hands-on involvement turned the entire orientation into a learning experience, allowing UIMS students to put their classroom skills into the practice while documenting the journey of the new batch.
Right now, when you are enjoying the Freshman Orientation 2026, the practical class of Media Studies student is going on right now here only. This is our in-house production unit with multicam setup, and not only this, but my students in different departments, right now they are working as a fraternity member, but beside this, they all are students of Master in Journalism and Mass Communication, and this is the team from BAJMC who are there in their second year, in third semester. They must have approached you for some bites, some reactions, some images. With us, we have RJ Geet, the station head for Radio Punjab, and Professor Monica, who is leading the TV production team. And with this team, we were covering this entire event for last 6 days. If you like the efforts, please give a big round of applause for all of these students.
Some beginnings are remembered for the day they start. Others are remembered for the possibilities they set in motion. As the final day of Freshman Orientation 2026 comes to an end, the newest members of the Chandigarh University community leave. Not just with new information, but with new questions, new connections, and a clear sense of the journey ahead. For the students of liberal arts, humanities, and media, this is the beginning of a chapter where ideas will be explored, perspectives will evolve, creativity will find expression, and individual voices will take a shape. Over these orientation days, the campus welcomed thousands of new dreams. Today, those dreams take their first steps forward. The orientation may be over, but this is where the real CU story begins. In classrooms, conversations, friendships, experiences, challenges, and every opportunity they chose to embrace. A new batch has arrived, a new chapter has begun, and now it is time for these young minds to write their own story.
And with that, Freshman Orientation 2026 at Chandigarh University comes to a successful close. Today, liberal arts students connected with industry experts, gaining valuable insights and inspiration for the journey ahead. But the excitement is far from over. The main ground is buzzing with energy as thousands of students gather for the much-awaited cultural night, where renowned singer Amal Malik is all set to take the stage for an unforgettable evening of music and celebration.
As the sun set over Chandigarh University, the main ground came alive with music, excitement, and youthful energy as thousands of students gathered for the much awaited cultural night. The evening's highlight was the performance by acclaimed singer Amal Malik, who had the crowd singing along and enjoying every moment. Adding to the fun was Subodh Sharma, whose energetic presence brought an exciting and extra spark to celebrations. With electrifying performances and enthusiastic crowd, the crowd night perfectly captured the spirit of campus life. For the freshers, it was more than just an evening of entertainment. It was the beginning of new memories, experiences, and new friendships at Chandigarh University. Cultural Night 2026 was truly a celebration to remember.
As the orientation ends, a new chapter begins. May your time at Chandigarh University be filled with learning, friendships, opportunities, and memories that last a lifetime. That's all for now. Stay tuned to See You Rounder for more campus updates. This is Abhijit Singh with camera person Ishika signing off.